Inspection management. Prepare a master inspection register where each package is assigned to an Excel page, named after the package and has the benchmark phases such as purchase order date, test dates, kickoff meeting date, pre-inspection meeting date, release date, name and location of supplier, name and location of major sub-supplier, name of lead and backup inspectors. Add any other information that is frequently used. Prepare an inspection schedule with dates for witness and hold points. Use the fabrication schedule for finding the tentative dates. Prepare the list of required inspection specialty and number of inspectors. Shortlist, interview, and select lead inspector and backup inspector for each package for the sake of consistency in inspection activities. While interviewing, give them a real scenario and ask them how they will deal with the situation. Prior to the interview, explain the project and package and only ask them practical type of questions. Ensure they have the right attitude. Long-term inspectors are more loyal and efficient than ad hoc inspectors. While selecting inspectors, consider proximity to the supplier's premise. Never employ inspectors who are retired from the same supplier. They are more loyal to the supplier than the client. Try having a small inspection team rather than using ad hoc inspectors. If you are using random inspectors, consider allocating extra time for document review and history check.